Okay, so what we're going to do now is start to get into this tooth over here. So this tooth is going to be a little more organic looking than what we've been doing with this tooth over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that our snapping is enabled. We're back on increment over here. This is set on global, and let's switch to edit mode over here and make sure that under meshes, edges, we still have our control A shortcut key enabled. So here I'm just going to do A to deselect everything. So I don't see the 3D manipulator, so that means everything's deselected. So in the previous lesson, we actually shut this off. So let's turn it back on over here. So go ahead and hover your mouse over here and just press the L key, then press the period key to home in on it and just zoom out with your scroll wheel. Now we're going to do just rotate it a little bit like this. Do Control R. I'm gonna do a left click and then right click. Do Control R, left click and then right click over here. Then rotate it over here. Do Control R, left click and then right click. Hover your mouse over here. Press the Alt key down and just right click this to select the whole edge loop. If you can press the Z key to see what we've selected. Press S to scale and then 1, 2, 3, left click to confirm, do W and then smooth. It's going to take it up, we're going to bring it down, press the 3 key to go into wireframe. You can press the Z key to go into solid view and bring it down one time over here. So now what we need to do is click on this edge over here, shift key down this one and this one. So I'm just going to rotate it to show you. We're simply just selecting the middle over here. Press the 3 key to stay in your right view. Take it to the right on the green arrow one time like this. Now rotate it like this over here, and you want to do the same thing on this side. So here I'm just going to zoom in, click on this, shift key down this one and then this one over here. This is what I've selected. Press the 3 key to stay in my right view, take it to the left one time, then rotate again over here like so. Click on this edge, shift key down this one, and then you can zoom in to get this one over here. Okay, or you can select it from the inside. So this is what I've selected. Press the 3 key to go into your right view, shift middle mouse button to pan it a little bit. Take it to the left one time, rotate with the middle mouse button, shift key down, and then deselect this guy over here, do W and then smooth. Press the 3 key to go back into your right view and then A to deselect. Now we're going to click on this edge, shift key down this one, do W smooth 1 and then 2. Then click on this one, do W smooth 1 and then 2. Click on this one, do W smooth one time. Switch to the vertex select mode, click on this vertex, do W smooth 1 and then 2. Okay, so if you take a look at what we have, tab, see that what we're doing is simply just defining this curvature over here. Anyways, we're going to do A to D, select everything. Go ahead and rotate on this side. Switch to the edge select mode, click on this edge, shift key down this one and this one. This, and then this one. Now do W smooth 1 and then 2. Then click on this edge, shift key down this one and this one. Do W smooth one time. Then simply click on this edge, do W smooth 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on this one, shift key down this one, do W smooth one time over here. Now you're going to click on this edge, press the 7 key to go to your top view, bring it to the left on the red arrow one time like this. Switch to the face select mode, then rotate with the middle mouse button. So you want to just get this face over here. Okay, press the 7 key, shift middle mouse button to just pan it over here. Click on the green arrow and make it go up one time, then press the R key to rotate and then 1 and then 2, left click to confirm. Now we're going to switch back to the edge select mode and then come back over here. So you can see that when we smooth this, it opens up this area. So we're going to click on this edge, shift key down this one and this one. See what I've selected? You can select it from the inside too like this. Press the 3 key to go to your right view and take it to the left one time on the green arrow. So when you do that, what's going to happen is that you're going to see this tooth come out. All we have to do is click on this edge, shift key down this one. So this is the edge that belongs to this tooth. We're just going to do W and then smooth only one time and just leave it like this. See how we're leaving a little bit in because it's a tight fit. So we're going to leave it like that. And then 3 to go back into your right view. Now just rotate with your middle mouse button over here Remember, at any time you can just select it and press the period key. Okay, so what we're going to do now, do Control R, do left click and then right click over here. Then click on the vertex select mode. We can actually go to the top view by pressing the 7 key. Click on this vertex, shift key down this one, and this one. Press the S key to scale in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Left click to confirm. Click on this vertex, press the 3 key to go into your right view, press the Z key. You want to click on this blue arrow, so I'm just going to do shift middle mouse button to pan over here. Bring it down 13 nudges, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you can do the Z key to go back into solid view. So once you do that, you want to click on this vertex over here, press the 3 key and bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So notice that when I was over here, when I moved it, the mouse automatically goes and comes from this angle, from the underneath, okay? Then A to D select everything. Now what you want to do is click on the edge select mode, click on this edge over here. We're going to do W and then smooth it. And press the shift key down, then click on this edge. So if I press the Z key, you can see how this edge is selected. Press the Z key again, press the 3 key to go into your right view and take it to the right one time, then click on this edge again, meaning that I've just selected this again, press the 3 key, take it down one time, then I'm going to switch to the vertex select mode, then just rotate it, and all you want is this vertex. Press the 3 key, press the Z key so you can see, bring it down 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, press the Z key again. Now you can click on these 2 vertices, press the 3 key and just bring it up one time like this. Click on this one, these 2 guys, press the 3 key and just bring it down one time. I'm going to rotate again, then click on these 2 guys, press the 3 key and bring it up one time over here and take it to the right, 1, 2. Okay, but you can see that this is a bit more involved than what we did over here, okay, because we wanted to look in a certain way over here. So anyways, so now that we've got this established, we're going to go back into the edge select mode, click on this edge, shift key down this one, just rotate it like this, do Alt V, left click to confirm, press the shift key down and select any edges that are missing. Again, this is always a different result for some reason, so we're just going to select them like this, do W smooth, 1, 2, 3, 4, press the Alt key down, then click on this edge loop, press the F key, it'll create a face over here, A to D select. Okay, so now for this, we're going to click on the vertex select mode, click on this vertex, press the 3 key and bring it up one time over here. Now we're going to switch to the edge select mode, click on this edge, just rotate it, shift key down this, click on this one, and also this one, just do W smooth, 1, 2. It'll just bring it in. Next, we're going to go ahead and select on these 2 edges, click on these 2 edges, press the 3 key, bring it up 1, 2, then click on this edge right over here, do W smooth, press the 3 key, having this still selected, bring it up one time over here. Okay, and then A to D select. Okay, so if you do tab, you can see that what we've done is now basically gotten this to look exactly the way we want it. See this, how this is a little higher over here from the inside and it's a lower over here, the outside. So we're going to leave this tooth over here. Now we basically were rotating over here. There's no reason to rotate it. You don't have to rotate it every time because it gives us the illusion that we're looking for over here. So we're going to leave this tooth just like that. So just scroll out over here and I'm just going to go ahead and now save this. So again, I'm just going to save it as less than 16 because I have backups. So I'm just going to do file and save. Okay, so now we can go ahead and finish off this tooth over here. So press the tab key to go back into edit mode over here. Make sure you do A to select everything and then A to deselect everything. So hover your mouse over this tooth, press the L key, then press the period key to home in on it. We can just simply scroll out a little bit over here. Now press the 3 key to go into your right view. So what we have to do is actually treat this tooth a little differently. We have to move it down. So click on the blue arrow, then bring it down 1 and then 2. And now with the middle mouse button, I'm just going to rotate it over here. Now do Control R, left click and then right click. Do Control R, left click and then right click. And over here, Control R, left click and then right click. I'm going to do Shift middle mouse button to pan it up a little bit. Press the Alt key down, click on this edge loop, press the Z key so you can see everything selected. Press the S key to scale and then do 1, 2, 3. Left click to confirm, W smooth, press the Z key to go into solid view, press the 3 key. Now we're going to bring this down 3 nudges, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're treating this a little differently, and you'll see later as to why this is. Okay, we're going to do middle mouse button to rotate. So go ahead and click on this edge over here, shift key down this one, this, then rotate with the middle mouse button, click on this one, and over here, this one and this one. Press the 7 key to go to your top view. We're going to scale this in 3 nudges. So press the S key to 1, 2, and then 3, and left click to confirm. Now rotate it with the middle mouse button this way over here. Press the Shift key down, deselect this one, then rotate again with the middle mouse button on this side. Shift key down, deselect this one and deselect this one. So you should have these 4 guys selected. Just do W and then smooth. Now go ahead and click on this edge over here. So I'm going to press the 3 key to go to the right view. Just simply move with the middle mouse button to the back of it. To press the Shift key down, click on this one, do W smooth, 1, 2, 3. Rotate it a little bit, click on this one, Shift key down this one, W smooth, 1, 2. Now you're going to click on this edge, Shift key down this one, then rotate on this side, Shift key down this one and this one. So you should have these selected, do W and smooth only 1 time. Now we can go to the right view. Now we can press the Alt key down and click on this whole edge loop. See, this is what I've selected at the bottom. Now press the S key and press the Z key and press 0 and press enter. Okay, and then do A to Z, select everything. Next, we're just going to push this out a little bit. So we're going to click on this one, Shift key down this one. Now you can zoom in over here to see this. Click on this, press the 3 key. You're going to take it to the left 1 time over here. So now when we go in here, we're going to click on this. Now we're not going to smooth this because it would be too much. So in this case, we're just going to go back to the right view by pressing the 3 key, click on this green arrow and take it to the left 1 time over here. Okay, I just wanted to touch a little bit over here because it's just a tight fit. That's all this is. Then A to D, select everything. Now press the Alt key down, click on this edge, Shift key down, Alt, and then click. So you should have these 2 selected. Press the G key 2 times because we're going to slide it 3 nudges down. To press the G key 2 times and do 1, 2, and then 3. Left click to confirm. Now we can do Control R, left click, and then right click. Same thing, click on the vertex select button, click on this vertex, Shift key down this one, this one. Press the 7 key to go to your top view, press the S key to scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left click to confirm. Click on this vertex, press the 3 key to go into your right view, press the Z key, and I'll bring this down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press the Z key. Now you're going to rotate over here, click on this vertex, press the 3 key, bring it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you have to do Shift middle mouse button to kind of bring it over here so you can see where the sky is. So you're going to take it to the right, 1, 2, 3, over here. Now just rotate it with the middle mouse button and click on these 2 vertices, press the 3 key, and just bring it down 1 time over here because we're just creating this idea that it goes inwards. Okay, then click on these 2 guys, press the 3 key, and I'm just going to bring it up right now like so. Now what we're going to do is click on the edge select button, click on this edge, shift it on this again, same thing, do Alt V, left click to confirm, select whatever's deselected, shift it on this in my case, do W smooth, 1, 2, 3, press the Alt key down, click on this one, click edge loop and press the F key, A to deselect. Now click on this edge, shift key down this one, press the 3 key. You can see how this is curving, so we're gonna zoom in a little bit, and I'm gonna bring it up 1 and then 2. I'm gonna rotate over here, and what you want is this edge. Just do W and then smooth. So you can see it automatically fixes itself. So just press the 3 key to go into your right view and then bring it up one time over here. Now you can press the vertex select mode, click on this vertex and bring it up a little bit one time like this. And over here, we're going to simply bring these two vertices up a little bit one time like this. And over here, I'm just going to click on this and just bring it up one time like this. Okay. If you do tab over here, you can see that what we have is this tooth defined over here. Okay, I'm just going to do tab. So go to your S select mode. Now again, you don't have to do the rotation of these just like I am. Okay, just want you to know that. So over here, I can just do Control A to make it go this way a little bit. Can do Control A on this one to give it a little bit of randomness. And that's all we're going to do over here. So you can see as to why we actually, if I do the Z key, see how this is more below here? If I press the Z key, this is because what we're doing is really bearing this, putting this a little more deeper into this idea of the gums. Okay, so that's all we need to do. And now we finished all the teeth. So here I'm just going to park it like this over here. Zoom in. And let's just do our save over here. Save. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll finish this up by looking at the gums. Thank you.